Hi, my name is DC Knight, General Manager and Pro Shop Operator of Cardinal Lanes Beach Bowl in Wilmington, North Carolina. Here today to talk to you about candlepin bowling. Candlepin bowling is different than tinpen bowling. The pins are slightly slender and taller than what you have in tinpen bowling. The ball is also smaller. It's about the size of a softball. In candlepin, you get 3 turns instead of 2 if you don't knock all of them down. The scoring is roughly the same as tinpen. A strike is worth 10 plus your next 2 shots. A spare is worth 10 plus your next shot. And if you don't knock all the pins down in your first 2 shots, but on the 3rd shot, it's just 10 pins with no bonus. Candlepin is mostly up in the northeastern part of the United States and Canada. In summary, that's candlepin bowling.